Recently, I found land online for just $999, and you're not going to believe how easy it was. I didn't use an agent to find it, I didn't use banks, and I didn't run my credit either. In this video, I'm going to share with you the exact websites that I use in order to find land online for under $1,000 and how you can do the same exact thing even if you've never bought land before. Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Welcome to another video. So look, let's be real for a second. Most people think buying land is out of reach, and I get it. I grew up in a lower class neighborhood in Brooklyn, New York, where nobody in my family ever bought a house outside of my uncle back in the late 90s until I bought my first property, and then I started buying a lot of houses after that. But over the years, what I've come to realize is that buying land is one of the simplest, most affordable ways to buy real estate without having a license or a big budget to get started. But before we get into this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, Baselane.com. Listen, you could be losing tens of thousands of dollars right now without even realizing it. One mistake and you can be drowning in fees. Most real estate investors out there don't realize that their finances are a ticking time bomb. Hidden fees, mismanaged cash flow, and booking errors can add up really fast. But with Baselane, you can prevent these costly mistakes by automating your rent collection, bookkeeping, and smart banking to help you get ahead before it's too late. Baselane is the first all-in-one financial platform built for real estate investors and landlords to thrive. Bring your rental finances under one roof with integrated banking, bookkeeping, and rent collection to help you save time and gain financial clarity you need to make smarter decisions and grow your business. If you think you can put this off, then you're not going to make it. Check the link in the description box below to sign up for Baselane for free and get a $100 cash bonus when you fund your account. Now let's get into the video. All right, so what I want to do is show you how to find real land deals for under $1,000. Then I'm going to show you 2 free websites that anybody can get access to. And then I'm going to show you how to avoid rookie mistakes that could cost you thousands. I'm also going to show you a bonus website where cities are basically giving away land. All right, so the first website that we're going to check out is landwatch.com, one of the biggest platforms out there when it comes to buying land if you know what you're doing. Now, the first thing you can do is go ahead and set up an account. You can sign up at the top right-hand corner of the page if you decided to, or you can scroll down the page and check out some of these properties that they have available. But what we're going to do is go ahead and use the search bar where it says find land for sale. Now, obviously, you want to have an idea of where you can find land for relatively cheap. For example, you might search in a state like Arkansas. And when you click on Arkansas, you'll see that there's a region map right here on the side. You can search by region by using that map. You can search on a county level right here and even on a city level. Another thing you can do is search by price range, etc., 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 right? So what we're going to do is scroll down to the very bottom right here, and we're going to select owner financing. So this is how we're going to be able to get properties with very little down and be able to make payments on them if we wanted to. Another thing we can do is go up to where it says price range and just type in $999. Say we don't want to pay more than $1,000 for a property. We can go ahead and add that into the equation. Now, as you can see, there's some properties that popped up, one for $99, one for $420. We can sort by low to high or high to low if we want it as well. But you can see there's properties available for as little as $125, $870, etc., etc. So for example, if we click on this $870 lot right here which is a quarter of an acre of land, we click on that, we can get some more details on this particular property. We can contact the agent that's involved with the property to get more details on it. You can see there's owner financing available, and you can contact them. You can kind of get an idea of where the vicinity of this property is located. And again, you can just buy as many of these lots as you can, especially for $870. Now, and this is obviously under that $999 price range that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, which is even better. But the point is, you can find land if you search hard enough in certain parts of the country. Now, obviously, this is going to vary from state to state, from region to region. You're not going to be able to get land everywhere for under $1,000, but you can find land for relatively good prices. So if I go back to my home state, for example, North Carolina, and I click on search, I can do the same exact thing in North Carolina. I can search through the region map right here. I can do on a county level. I can go to a city level. I can search through price range, et cetera, et cetera. Let's say I wanted to search for properties $0 to $50,000. And I click on that. You can see, look, 4 acres of land, wherever this property is located in Rutherford County, for $12,900. You have 10 acres right here. And by the way, if you're interested in farm land in North Carolina, interested in that farm hack strategy, you need at least 10 acres to do it in North Carolina. This 10 acres right here is going for $29,900. If you keep scrolling down, you can find, look, 2 acres for $20,000. And this looks like pretty nice land right here. Got a little lake there and everything, right? But you can also, again, search for properties that have some type of owner financing available. If you scroll down and you click on that, look, this one right here has owner financing attached to it. So if I scroll down and I wanted to get some more information, owner financing, you can own this beautiful land right here. This is a nice piece of land, 2 acres that you can buy for $20,000 or take out payments on it, seller financing. Now this one has national forest access as well, but this is a beautiful piece of property for under $20,000, still cheap. So I've shown you how you can find properties for under $1,000, or if you wanted to expand out a little bit and go closer to home, maybe you'll pay a little bit more for the property, but you could find beautiful land just like this for even $20,000. Even if you paid $40,000 or $50,000 for a few acres of land, it'll be well worth it if you know what you're going to do with the land. And another thing you want to keep in mind when you're searching for these properties is to reach out and ask questions. There's a ton of seller financing opportunities available for sale by owners, which means you have more room to negotiate better deals rather than going through an agent in order to be able to make these types of deals happen. But reach out, ask questions. This is how you get information. This is how you're able to start networking and building relationships with the people in order to be able to negotiate the best deal for you and them so that you can be able to buy the land. All right, now real quick before you get too excited, here's a couple of things that you want to look out for when you're searching for this land. First thing you want to look out for is landlocked lots. Now, some properties are surrounded by other private land with no legal way to get to it. You need a deeded easement or public access road in order to be able to get to your property. So you want to be sure to stay away from these because they can be a headache to own them. Another thing you want to look out for is to make sure that the road leading to your property that you're looking at is publicly maintained. Just because it looks good on Google Maps doesn't necessarily mean that the county takes care of it. And trust me, you don't want to get stuck grading a road every time it rains. So those are 2 things that you can look out for. Let's move into the next website. All right, now the next site that we're going to look at is landflip.com. Now, once you get to Landflip, you could go ahead and set up an account by clicking on sign up at the top. You can add listings here if you're flipping land, and you can also buy listings here. You can create a buyer profile once you set up your account as well. One of the main tools that you can use right here is the search bar. So we're going to go to the search bar in just a second. But before we actually do that, if we scroll down, you'll see some of the listings that they have available. If you click on show more, it'll continue to show you what they have available on the site. For the purposes of this particular video, what we're going to do is go ahead and leave minimum acres the same in the search bar. We're going to set the max price to $5,000 and we're just going to click on search. And as you can see, there's a lot of listings that just popped up for under $5,000 or up to $5,000. For example, here's a third of an acre in Arkansas for $3,635. If we just click on this, we can see it says live minutes from Crown Lake. I'm not sure exactly where that is, but here's a video that you can watch regarding the Crown Lake area or regarding the property itself. And then you have some details on the property. But for $3,600, that's your cash price. Or if you notice, owner financing available. So remember when I said you don't need a lot in order to get started with land investing? Here's the epitome of that. $26 down, a $249 doc fee, a month for 50 months in order to be able to own this land. So you can buy this property for $3,600, or you can put $26 down with a $250. So basically $275 right here, and then $85 a month for 50 months. If you add up $85 over 50 months, that'll give you the total that you'll pay, which will probably be a little north of this in order to be able to own this property for yourself. But that's just one example of a land deal that you can find. Obviously, I'm going to share some things with you later, which will help you narrow down your search even more and show you where you should focus your attention in order to be able to find the best land deals for you. Make sure you stay on until the very end so you can get those tips as well. Recently, I've been talking about farm hacking a lot with one of my business partners and friends, Sawan Belcher. And we've been sharing people our Farm Hacking Academy. One of the strategies that we show you in the Farm Hacking Academy is to use sites like landflip.com in order to be able to find farmland. So for example, if I wanted a minimum acreage in my local area, so for here in North Carolina, the minimum acreage to own a farm is 10 acres. Then I would select 10 acres and I would leave max price alone, but maybe in keywords, I'll type in a location where I want properties at, or I can type in, let's say, owner financing plus the area. I'm just going to leave the area out of it for the purposes of this video. But all I got to do is click on search at that point. And look, there's 5-acre tracts of land, owner financing in Texas that's available right now. And you got 1, 2, 3 that I'm looking at right here. Now, how much are these actually going for? There's $69,000 a piece. So they're a little on the higher end for what you're trying to do. But there's also owner financing on all of these. So if you scroll down a little bit, you could get more details on how the owner financing would work. And you can see this is agricultural zoning, which means this is farmland that you can go out and buy. Some more owner financing terms that you have here. They're looking for $8,248, which is due at closing, and $902 a month for 10 years. So you're going to pay a lot more than that $69,000 if you want this particular property. But these are the terms. They spell it out for you right on the website, so there's no confusion. All you would have to do is contact the owner right here and let them know that you're interested in the property. But this is one of the strategies that we use in our Farm Hacking Academy. And by the way, if you're interested in the Farm Hacking Academy, go to farmhackingacademy.com. And I'm also going to be sure to link the video where we explain what's in the Farm Hacking Academy, along with answering your questions up at the top. So that's landflip.com. That's how you can find cheap land. That's how you can find agricultural land. This is how you can find all the land that you need for your real estate investing business. All right, so let me give you a few more tips to avoid rookie mistakes. Topography. Is the land sloped? Is it flat? Is it in a flood zone? You can find out this information by using the county's GIS map or Google Earth. What about zoning? Can you camp there? Can you build? Can you live off grid? Each county's rules are different, so it's important for you to find out that information as well. How about back taxes or HOA fees? You can find out this information from either the county or the seller when you decide to have that conversation with the seller on the property that you're interested in. Bottom line, hidden fees can ruin the deal. So you definitely want to catch that before you start negotiating. And always, always, always get the parcel number. Now, naturally, you can find out the parcel number online by going to the county's website. But you need the parcel number in order to do your research and verify ownership of the property. All right, now here's the bonus strategy that a lot of people don't know about. City and county land banks. Now, in the past, you might have gone to a website like propertylandbank.com. That site doesn't exist anymore. Instead, you can do a simple Google search for National Land Bank Map, which is provided by the Center for Community Progress. And what that site does is provide you with hundreds of active land banks throughout the United States. Now, these are official programs where the government offers vacant land from anywhere between $100 to $1,000. And these properties are usually offered to nearby residents, nonprofit organizations, or investors with a plan. And you can also go to your city or county's website. For example, Louisville Land Bank, Shelby County Land Bank, Syracuse Land Bank. These lots can be perfect for infill builds. And for those of you who don't know what an infill lot is, it's basically a lot within city limits which is buildable. They can be great for buy and hold land banking or even passive side projects if you meet the guidelines. All right, so here's the deal. Use LandWatch to find cheap properties across the country. Use Land Flip in order to find flexible seller finance options, and use land bank directories to find super cheap city lots. But always do your research. And once you start making money, set yourself up with Baselane. Check the link in the description box below. And if you want a program that shows you how to buy land, how to negotiate the best deal, and how you can profit on the land in multiple ways, be sure to check out farmhackingacademy.com or check the link in the description box below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. Let me know what you learned from this video. What was one golden nugget that you picked up from this video? Leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.